Hey guys, it's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new, if you are a returning subscriber, hey cuz, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this really pretty sunset like halo eye. I use the Makeup Shack's Rainforest Palette. Y'all, let me open this up. This palette is gorgeous. Like, it is so freaking pretty. And it's super affordable. It is only $12.99. I'll link it down below in the description box for those of you who want to purchase it. This is not a sponsored video at all. I had just been wanting this palette for a minute and they just restocked it last week, so I went ahead and ordered it. And I received it this past Friday. And so I decided to film a look using it. So if you guys want to see how this look is created, just keep on watching. Alright, so the first color that I'm going to be taking in this palette is this red here. And I'm going to pack that all over my lid with this Morphe 167. Next color I'm going to go into is this orange here. I'm going to take that on my Morphe M506. And I'm going to tap that above where I just placed that red. Alright, next I'm going to take this yellow shade here. And I'm going to place that above where I just placed that orange with my Morphe M507. I'm gonna go back into that orange and blend that out. Pack some more of that red on my lid. Alright, so now I'm about to cut out my crease for my halo eye. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1 and my Morphe M124 brush. Y'all, I swear I have the hardest time with halo eyes. That's why I don't do them often. Alright, so now that that struggle is over.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get back into that red and start blending out the outer edges. Oh yeah, to do this, I'm using my Morphe M507. Get back into that orange. Alright, so for that middle portion of the halo eye on another M167 brush, I'm going to take this gold shade here. Alright, so I'm just going to dip back into that red, orange, and yellow and just smoke out my bottom lash line. Oh, I almost forgot. So I'm just gonna take this NYX glitter glue. And I'm gonna take this gold glitter from Flutter by Rose. All right, so that is it for the eyes. I'm about to do my face off camera and I'll be back in just a second. All right, so this is the finished look. All I did was my regular face routine. On my lips, I use MAC's lip liner in Chestnut, of course, and I followed up with the NYX's matte lip cream in Abu Dhabi. Halo eyes don't normally go well for me, that's why I don't do them. But today, yeah, it's a look. It's a look, sis.
Boy, if you don't get...
But if you made it this far, then you already know that we are family, okay?
Hey, auntie.
So, cousin, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.